What's up guys? Part 2 of the rebuild. We're going to be looking at a few different things. My brother picked up a Mazda 3 Speed that I'm going to be checking out for him while he's out of town. It came damaged a little bit and has unknown damage that it doesn't start. So I'm going to be taking a peek and seeing what I can find. Also, after driving the S2000 for about a week, it has an issue with the power steering. The EPS light came on. So the EPS is electric power steering in these cars. They do not have manual steering racks like most cars do. I've dealt with it in the past. I just want to figure out if it's something simple or do I got to dig a little bit deeper into it. So stay tuned on that. Also, my daily driver is finally back in town, so I can go ahead and get the parts for the car and then drop it off at the body shop. So stay tuned for that. Leave a like, comment, any criticism you may have, or a future build you might want to see, and feel free to subscribe if you like. Hope you enjoy. Snowing out here. Got this modded world Mazda. Dink link in the door. Why doesn't this work anymore? Yo, Tazik. Rush. So this thing supposedly has some Mitsubishi wheels on. What the heck? Apparently it doesn't run, doesn't start, doesn't do nothing of that, and then there's like oil at the bottom. So check that out in a second. Huh. Underneath. It's pretty oily. Drove it about a week. Oh, it's cold out here. Here's a Widow cold start for all my homies out there. Ooh. So the EPS light is not on. Once I move the steering wheel, that's when the EPS light's gonna be on. So I think I just need to reset it, watch. Oh, no power steering. EPS light, wha-bam. So hopefully this will help someone out in the future. Driver's side footwell. You have to put a paper clip in port 4 and 9. 4 is the ground and 9 should be the EPS. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see you in a second. Oh yeah, by the way, this is where it's at, look. Right there. Okay, so we're back. Hopefully it focuses here in a second. So there we go. So as you can see, it's going into 4 and 9. So paper clip is in there, and next is a step for the reset. Well, I probably look so goofy right now, but it's freezing here in Cleveland, Ohio. It's cold. Let me just tell you how cold it is. It's, you know, oh, my phone. Why don't you guys tell me? I'm pretty sure it was zoomed in the whole time. So anyways, 24 whole degrees here in Cleveland, and I'm out here working on this car. And yes, I guess I'm gonna try to go through the reset and show you guys how it looks and works. So I did it a few times, but I was just too slow watching this video. And then I just went back to my handy dandy guide that I always use, and the light's off. So I guess moment of truth. I was in gear. It has to be a bad ground or something because the light is not on, and it's fine as soon as I turn the steering wheel. It turns on. So like the way the car is even starting and running just feels whack. So a simple reset, didn't do anything for the EPS. Put some cables on there, hopefully charged it up a bit. We'll see. It's another day, another dollar. So going to get the bumper finally. Taking this beast, you know, MPGs. It's like 8 something in the morning. It's gonna take me a couple hours to get to the bumper and get this thing going. The positive thing about this car is that it's good on gas. Negative thing about this car does not have any cruise control. So I love my dad to know. Homie put mozzarella cheese on this sandwich he made me. Bro. Oh well. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, let me just wait here. You know what I'm saying? I got time, you know. So this is what Toledo looks like, huh?
Or like, did the guy think he was like protecting it?
No, that's what you call a lip right there.
They're nice. I mean,
yeah, the OEM lips are definitely nice, but what is up with this one?
oh yeah, bad.
Yeah, I
don't want to.
This one's interesting. Do you know what kind of wheels these are?
They're not valuable.
We got the MR2s out here, stacking them up. I kick myself till this day for not buying that red Turbo 2 swap for $1,200. I slept on it. Sometimes, like you gotta go with your gut feeling. Go with your gut feeling if you know it's a good deal. Don't listen to friends, don't listen to your doggies, your pets, nothing. Just get the deal done. Hey, you live and you learn. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bumper and then the parts that I need. Catch you guys in a little bit. Thank you.
Great seeing you again.
Take care, yeah, man. Locked and loaded. The guy that I bought the parts from shared some knowledge with him that Facebook Marketplace these days is blowing up. Craigslist is still fine. I told the dude, where are you advertising? And he said he wasn't really advertising in months. And I'm like, yo, Facebook Marketplace has been pretty it's been pretty popping lately. It's if he posted his stuff up there, the cars he has, a lot of his inventory would literally fly off the shelf. You know, he's decent with pricing and you know, he has a lot of stuff. If you know something that someone else might not or isn't aware of, why not spread the knowledge, you know? Like, why keep it inside? Like, what, you're gonna take it to the grave? That's one thing that brings me joy, you know, a little bit of encouragement. If you know someone in need and you know a way out or a suggestion, don't hesitate to give them it. God bless, don't stress. Thank you. Have a good one. So I bought this radiator shroud for my buddy, $5, not bad. Good looks from Brent. Here goes some miscellaneous pieces for the quarter panel that might be missing. So I just kind of got everything, try to get it out. So here's the bumper, pretty decent shape. It has a few scuffs here and there. So it's gonna need a fair share of some body work. It has these carbon fiber inserts around the exhaust. So pretty good shape overall. Today's the day. So I decided I'm gonna take off those carbon fiber pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and take these both off just so when they paint it, they can really get all the coverage on the paint, and then I'm gonna put them back on after it's all done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, load the bumper in the G8, and then we're off to the body shop. So I just got to the body shop. He's not here right now, so I'm gonna drop the car off. I took the bumper out and put it in the shop. I think within a week it should be done, so. So I ended up catching him as soon as I was about to pull out. He pulled in, told him everything I needed to get done, gave me a good price, said it should be done Friday. So keep you guys updated. Hopefully everything goes smooth and looks good. See you next time.